So hello friend, today I am going to discuss problem 2091 from Leetcode, and the problem is removing minimum and maximum from array. So if we go through the statement, it is saying that we have given a zero index array with distinct integer num. So there is an element in num array with lowest value and element with highest value. We call them minimum and maximum respectively. So goal is to remove both of these min and max element. But there is condition to remove these minimum and maximum element. Either we can remove from front or we can remove from back. So using this condition, we have to find out the minimum number of elements that will be deleted if we delete from front or back. So if you see this example, the first example that is given in the problem itself. So here we can see that we have 10 as in a maximum element and 1 as in a minimum element. So what we can do is that we have three options here. Either we can delete these two min and max element from front. So in that case we have to delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 element. So another condition is we can delete these min and max element from back. So in that case we have to delete 7 element, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or we can delete from front, which have 2 elements, and from back, which have 3 elements. So in total 5 elements. So answer would be 5. The minimum one is 5. So you can go through all the statements or test cases given an example, and you will have a clear idea that what we want to achieve here. Now let's go to implementation. So you can see that to implement this, first thing that comes into my mind is that we need to find out the indexes of minimum and maximum element. So for that I have declared these variables min and max index. I am initializing this to -1, and min value and max value. So min value I am initializing it with the max value, integer max value, and max value I am initializing this value with integer min value, because we have a range of element starting from -10 to the raised of 5 to positive 10 to the raised of 5. So then we will start iterating over the array one by one, and we will find out the index of minimum and maximum element. So once we have index of minimum and maximum element, then there is a case here. So in first case we can see that minimum element is at index 5 and maximum element is at index 1. So to avoid any failed condition, I am just doing swap so that I can maintain min index to be minimum and max index to be maximum, because in that case if you see that max index is at 1 and min index is at 5, which is a little bit confusing. So to make it simple, I maintained a min index to be 1 and max index to be 5. So once that's done, then I have applied these three conditions. First condition is to remove element from front. So if I remove element from front, I have to go up to the maximum index, which is 5 here, but because my array is starting from index 0, so I will add 1 into that. So in total we have to remove 6 elements. So same in scenario if I go from back. So from back I can go up to the minimum element. So here you can see that nums of length minus min index, that will give me the element that I have to delete from the back. And third condition is I can delete from front and back. So front and back, so I will from front min index plus 1 and from back num length minus max index. That will give me the count of element that I have to remove from the front and the back. So with these conditions, I will find out the minimum element that I have to remove to delete the min and max element from the array. So hope you guys understand this problem solution, and if you like the solution, then please comment, and if you think you have a better solution, then also write in the comment. And thanks guys for listening and watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe it so that you don't miss any video that I upload. Thank you.